Welcome back to my channel. Imagine walking into a bathroom that instantly feels calm, stylish, and beautifully balanced. That perfect harmony begins with the tiles you choose, both on the floor and the walls. Today, we're exploring ideas that don't just look beautiful. They feel beautiful. They bring personality, warmth, and a sense of quiet luxury into your space. When it comes to tile design, contrast is one of the most powerful tools. Some contrasts are soft, gentle, almost whispering elegance. Contrast can also be bold, confident, ready to make a statement the moment you open the door. Textures play an equally important role. Sometimes the magic happens when one surface takes the spotlight, usually the walls. A beautiful pattern can instantly transform the room without overwhelming it. Marble, veined tiles on the walls bring nature's artwork indoors, especially when the floor stays simple and neutral. Even soft 3D textures add dimension, shadows, and a sense of movement that keeps the space alive and interesting. And then there's marble, the forever classic. Whether you choose white, cream, or gray, marble brings a soft luxury that never goes out of style. Matching marble walls and floors look sleek and expensive. Creating a seamless, hotel-like experience. Color also has the power to change the mood of the entire bathroom. Every bathroom tells a story, and the tiles you choose create the first impression of that story. Maybe you want something calming, something bold, something artistic, luxurious, or simply peaceful. With the right tiles, even the smallest bathroom can feel special, unique, designed with intention and care. As you explore these ideas, imagine how each color, texture, and contrast could shape your own home. The soft glow of glossy walls, the natural touch of stone finishes, the quiet beauty of minimalist floors, the elegance of marble, or the creative energy of patterns and textures. A beautiful bathroom doesn't need to be big. It just needs the right balance of color, contrast, and personality. And when everything comes together, even a simple space becomes a place of comfort, calmness, and everyday luxury. If you enjoyed these beautiful bathroom tile inspirations, make sure to like the video, subscribe, and come back for more interior design ideas that turn ordinary spaces into extraordinary experiences. We'll see you in the next video.